Hi guys, thanks for clicking this video. Today my project is digital electroscope. This one is the analog one, and this one is the digital positive and negative electroscope. The red LED is negative ion detector and the green one is positive. The schematic take from the Newton C. Braga book. Here is the schematic. If you are going to make this project, it's much better to make it with the PCB because of the breadboard is not good for this kind of projects because of we are working with a high voltage and a big budget of the units, and it is not good to work with the plastic and metal with the small distance between the metal terminals inside the breadboard. Very good. Let's take a test with this positive, negative digital electroscope. At first I'm going to test with my Teflon. Here is the Teflon tape. As you can see, I'm going to make it ready for the, you can see the negative ion gonna be on, and also the electroscope. When I turn back the Teflon, the green one, the positive ion detector, will be detect the positive ions also. Look at, when I'm turning back, very good. This is very nice to test the gold leaf UV electroscope tester with the ZN plate. I don't have it now to test it, but I'm sure 100% the positive and negative ion detector like that will work very nice with the gold leaf UV detectors. Very good. I'm testing with the balloon. Very good. I'm going to that side. It is the positive one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for Newton C. Braga for the schematic and the book. I will say on the schematic if you are going to make these positive, negative ion detector. Goodbye.